Hey guys, a quick update to yesterday's video on the T12 V2. Apparently a lot of you jumped on the deal and now they're out of stock in the Amazon store, so it's going to be a couple weeks before they get new stock in. But I know a lot of you are asking me where you can get it now, and you can go to the Hobby Cool website. It's going to ship from China. When you go to the link in the description, it's going to show you the version 1, which is obviously the white one. But if you go down into the lower section here, you can click on module. You want to make sure you click the one with the 4-in-1 multi-protocol module, and then click the gimbal here. Just the one that's going to be selected is the one with the pots. Obviously that's the version 1. You want the one with the Hall gimbal. Click that, and you'll see the black one. That's the version 2. And you'll see the price is $10 more, it's $109.90. There's going to be a coupon code in the description. I'll take $10 off. It'll be the same price as what you saw in the Amazon store, and it's still free shipping. It's just that it's going to come from China, so it's going to take a little bit longer. So if you guys are looking for the version 2 and where you can buy it now, obviously this is good news for you guys that are not in the United States. You can obviously just order from China directly and get it wherever, get it shipped wherever you want in the world. And if you were looking for it in the Amazon store, it'll be there in a couple weeks. So I hope this video helps you guys out. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.